Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine and happy. I am also a YouTuber. I hope you will like my video. If you want to get the notification of my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay viewers, let's start the video without wasting our time. The name of our website is Hash Panda. Okay viewers, I want to share about the information of Hash Panda. Hash Panda is a best website from which can you easily earn money at home. Buy on PancakeSwap V2. Viewers, you can buy Hash Panda on PancakeSwap V2. The language is English. App beta branding. Join on Telegram. You can join it on Telegram. A decentralized meme token. Hash Panda aims to become the more decentralized meme token in existence, distributing its token to over 1 million users and surpassing Dogecoin in the number of holders. Join Telegram. Viewers, you can join Telegram. Buy on PancakeSwap V2. You can uh, you can buy Hash Panda on PancakeSwap V2. Viewers, I tell you how can you buy Hash Panda on PancakeSwap V2. The exchange is given swap trade tokens in an instant. BNB 0.0, Cake 0.0. Viewers, you can connect wallet. I tell you how can you connect it from wallet. Wallet connect MetaMask Trust wallet and details is given. Learn how to connect. Viewers, the details is given. How can you connect from wallet? You made a wallet and gotten your BP20 tokens. Now you just need to connect your wallet with PancakeSwap and you are good to go. Check out the step below for how to connect each our recommended wallets to Pancake. Viewer, the details is given. Okay viewers, its liquidity is given. Your liquidity, remove liquidity to receive token back. Add liquidity. Viewers, I tell you how can you add liquidity. It's select a currency 0.0, select a currency 0.0 or connect wallet. Okay viewers, you can connect it from wallet. It is same as exchange. Okay viewers, after getting the information of PancakeSwap V2, we continue our video. Over 751 2022 token holders on Binance Smart Chain. BSC Scan, Coin, Geeko, PancakeSwap, Nomics, Stock Tweets, Coinbase, Trust Wallet, and Coin Market Cap. Panda features auto liquidity locking, yield farming, and D app utility. Viewers, its token is given. Token features that benefits user and token holder. Features a Panda utility for D apps, auto yield farming. Viewers, I tell you token features give benefit to users and token holders. Its distribution is given. Decentralized distribution using community mechanism, programming distribution, community rewards, tipping users, creators. Its benefits is given. Countless benefit for Hash Panda token holders. Fairly distributed, rising price floor, anti-whale safety. The Hash Panda project. Okay viewers, I want to tell you about Hash Panda project. Hash Panda's mission is to become the most decentralized and most fairly distributed meme token in the world. We pioneered a distributions mechanism that allow users to distribute token in a social way, preventing whale dumps and thus creating a safe and hedges that can serve as a piggy bank for years to come. Additionally, our token holder receive 3% of all transactions, providing the benefit of automatic yield farming. Okay viewers, its problems is given. I want to tell you about its problem of Hash Panda. Hash Panda solve the problems of unfair token distribution and frequent whale dump. Take Dogecoin for example. The largest holder owns 28% of all tokens. These holders could handedly crash the price by an estimated 96%. Most other tokens have a similarly uneven supply distribution. For these tokens, a handful of individuals own a major portion of the supply, resulting in continuous dumps and unsustainable price pressure in the long term. Okay viewers, I tell you the problems and its solution is given. Hash Panda solve the problem through an innovative social distribution mechanism. This mechanism is responsible for distributing 80% of all eventually circulating partner tokens to a wide range of holders. 2 million token holders to be precious, making Hash Panda the more decentralized meme token in the existence. This is done by programmatically subscribing to all the transactions on Binance Smart Chain, which are public by nature, and randomly picking a couple thousand winners each day who are gifted with a set of number Panda tokens. The receivers of Panda tokens usually become long-term holders and social project supporters. Okay, viewers, I tell you it is done programmingly, and viewers, 1,000 winners each day gifted with numbers set number of Panda token. You can also join it. It is very good website. Decentralized distribution. Okay, viewers, I tell you about the decentralized distributions. We believe our approach is the fairest and most sustainable way to create a decentralized token. It helps us to ensure the stability of the future token values and serve as an effective anti-whale measure. You can track the distribution programs of progress of V102 Panda tokens below. The progress bar is an update every 48 hours. Okay, viewers, I tell about the decentralized distribution. The progress bar is done 48 hour, update 48 hour. Its details is given. Hash Panda distribution progress 98.1%. On October 15, 2021, Hash Panda reached its biggest milestone. Its distribution was officially completed, reaching more than 751 2022 real holders. A small number of tokens are reserved for a final 1.9 airdrop distribution through a grand final campaign. In summary, viewers, it is our biggest information on October 15, 2021. Hash Panda reached the biggest milestone. Okay, viewers, its summary is given. Hash Panda is now risk free, no more unlocked supply. Viewers, Hash Panda is risk free. Hash Panda is the largest panda token in the world. Hash Panda is the more decentralized token on BSC. Hash Panda has now more than 750k real holders and over 40k community members. Hash Panda is the largest economic experiment on BSC in its history. Hash Panda has officially completed its distribution phase and is ready for takeoff. Okay, viewers, Hash Panda is risk free. Token holders 751 2022, and its circulating supply is given. Market cap is also given. Community size is 37 812 members. Common questions. Common questions. If you have any common questions, the answer is given. The first question is, how can I buy Hash Panda tokens? Download Trust Wallet or MetaMask. First you download Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Register on Binance and purchase BNB. You can register on Binance and purchase BNB. Click the button on the this page and you will be redirected to PancakeSwap V2. Click I understand and purchase the desired amount. What is the marketing of Hash Panda? Hash Panda currently has 6 volunteers working on marketing activities. Specifically, we are working on guerrilla marketing campaigns to reach a wide mainstream audience of users. What are the tokenomics of Hash Panda? The total supply is given, which 50% is burned, 40% distributed via airdrops, community rewards, 5% allocated for growth development, and 5% provided as the public liquidity of the transaction value. 5% is locked for liquidity and 3% is distributed to token holders. Why did I receive Panda tokens? Its answer is also given. Please refer to the decentralized distribution section of this page. You will either sign up for an airdrop added value to the project, transacted on BSC, transacted with Panda, or used one of our D app. What is the Hash Panda token contract address? Its details is given. The official BEP20 BSC address is 0 multiply 857 8 EB 57 6 E 12 6 F 6791 388 B 03 C 0622 E 0 A 2022 and EB and AO A0. What is the token ticker for Hash Panda? Its details are also given. The ticker is Panda. It's easily answered. The ticker is Panda. Join the Panda gang. You can join the Panda gang from Telegram, and you can buy it PancakeSwap, which can details I tell you. Viewers, I tell you how can you join it from Telegram. Okay, viewers, you can see its chats and its calls. Okay, viewers, I tell you about Hash Panda official page. Its messages, you can see all the details. Okay, viewers, you can see the members. and its media, documents, links, audio, GIFs, voice, and videos. Okay, viewers, after getting the information of Join Telegram 2021, the Hash Panda project Panda, the more decentralized meme token Hash Panda, features project distribution, branding, Bampo, Paper, Join. Okay, viewers, you can join it from Reddit, Twitter, and the Telegram. Okay, viewers, Hash Panda is risk free and the largest panda of the world. Okay, viewers, if you need more details of Hash Panda, you contact to the owner of Hash Panda. Okay, viewers, I hope you will like my video, and we met on our new video, and Allah Hafiz.